Hello, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I was not well for a while, but now I'm better. So, today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 homemade face packs for pimple free skin part 2. I never thought I would do a second part of my previous video, but then there are some more recipes which I wanted to share with you. And if you haven't watched my previous video, I'll put a link in the description box or at the end of this video. As I told you in my previous video, these face packs are purely natural and I have used them on my face and I've got good results with this. Now, without wasting any time, let's start with the first face pack, which is aloe vera and garlic face pack. So, for the face pack, we require 2-3 garlic cloves and aloe vera gel. So, here I'm using fresh aloe vera gel. If you want, you can use the packed one. I just peeled the garlic and set aside. So, can you see yellow colored stain on the ball? It's called the latex from the aloe vera leaf. It doesn't harm, but it's not safe also. The truth is, I have to read more about it. I always remove the stain before using it. To remove the stain, just make a cut and place it in a bowl upright. It'll drain out within 10-15 minutes. Now I'm going to grind the garlic along with aloe vera gel to make a paste. Garlic is an antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic, and antioxidant agent, and it's a very good remedy for pimples. It also helps to reduce swelling and inflammation and improves blood circulation. Aloe vera. This is one magic gel that should definitely be a part of your daily skincare routine, more so if your skin is pimple prone. Aloe vera is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory in nature. Aloe vera has glycol proteins that are known to reduce acne, swelling, and inflammation. It also removes excess oil from the skin. Aloe vera is also rich in polysaccharides that promote new cell growth, thus giving a shine to the skin. Aloe vera is packed with carbohydrates, carotenoids, and flavonoids, which prevent acne and are anti aging in nature as well. Our face pack is ready now. You don't need to put it all over your face, just apply this face pack only on the pimple affected areas of your face for at least 3 days a week for a minimum of 3 weeks. This is a very effective face pack. You can see a difference within 3 weeks. Please do a patch test before applying it on your face. So next is the cinnamon and honey face pack. Cinnamon has antifungal, antioxidant and antibacterial properties that makes it a perfect solution for pimple-free skin. Honey contains fatty acid, peptides, amino acids, antioxidant and vitamin B, which can help visibly minimize the redness that is commonly associated with acne breakouts. The anti-inflammatory property of cinnamon combined with antimicrobial property of honey makes this combination great for pimple removal. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 teaspoon of honey to form a paste. But the problem is the most conventional forms of honey you get in the market are processed and therefore may not have antibacterial properties. You need to look for raw honey that is natural, unheated and unprocessed. Our face pack is ready now. Apply this mix on the face only covering the pimples. Wash it off with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. And before using it, try a patch test on your hand to check if it suits your skin. Next is the neem leaves paste. Neem. For centuries, this herb has been used in India as part of different remedies and in beauty products. Neem face pack can help even skin tone, reduce dark spots, redness, fine lines, and wrinkles, and keep the skin healthy. To make the face pack, simply grind the neem leaves to make a paste. Neem is commonly used as a treatment for acne. Neem has antibacterial properties. It eliminates any kind of breakouts and it suits itchy skin too. It has agents which actually kills acne causing bacteria. Neem has vitamin E and fatty acids which tighten the skin and thus help prevent signs of aging. Our face pack is ready now. There is another way actually you can make the neem face pack. Just dry a handful of neem leaves and crush it into fine powder. Mix it with water or rose water to make a smooth paste and you can apply it on your face. But I like it this way. Use this face pack only on the pimple affected areas. Next is the curry leaves and turmeric face pack. To make the face pack, I'm using some curry leaves and turmeric. This is not wild turmeric, this is the turmeric which we use for cooking. This is the plant from which I got this much turmeric, actually more than this. She is not that healthy, but I'm going to report her. Let me know in the comment section if you want a separate video of all the medicinal plants in India. To make the face pack, I'm going to grind some curry leaves along with turmeric. Curry leaves or curry patta has antimicrobial properties which treats pimple. It contains vitamin A and C which helps in skin regeneration. Turmeric. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. It has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Turmeric helps in preventing breakouts and also heals existing pimples. Turmeric is a natural exfoliant and it is highly rich in antioxidants which can help slow down skin's natural aging process. It has anti-inflammatory properties which reduce all the signs of acne. Turmeric with its antibacterial properties when mixed with curry leaves will help clean the facial pores and remove pimples. Our face pack is ready now. This is very effective and very strong. So before using it, try a patch test on your hand to check if it suits your skin. Apply it only on the pimple affected areas and you can keep it for 10-15 minutes and you can wash it off. Make sure you won't stain your clothes since we have used normal turmeric. The stain won't go that easily. Next is the green gram powder and curd face pack. In India, green gram is popularly known as moong dal and it has been used since ancient times for skin and hair cleansing. To make the face pack, we require green gram powder and curd. Just mix the green gram powder and curd and the face pack is ready. I have already kept some green gram powder ready. Now I am going to add the curd to make a thick paste. The deep cleansing and exfoliating properties of green gram will help get rid of and prevent pimples. The lactic acid present in the curd helps reduce inflammation and stimulates the growth of smoother new skin. This also minimizes the appearance of large pores. When combined with curd, this green gram will help cleanse and disinfect acne prone skin. Our face pack is ready now. This is one of the most effective face packs. You can use it all over your face and neck. Just keep it for 10 minutes and wash it off. And that's it. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all like this. And if you like it, please share it among your friends who needs this. And I would love to hear from you, your comments, your suggestions. If you have any, please put everything in the comment box. Thank you for watching.